Hi there. This video is a quick guide to how to use English Stars and how to navigate your way around this excellent resource. Now, to access English Stars, we go into Google and we type it in, and the predictive text will bring that up. Now, English Stars is a Fly-Fi education product, so that comes up and we just tap on in there. That will take us into the English Stars title page. Top right hand corner, you will see log in, so we just tap on that there. Now, you'll see underneath the teacher login, there says I'm a student. You'll need to get tapped on just there, and up come the Firefly products. We have access to English Stars, so we will tap on that one just there. Pop in the student login, and that takes us into the English Stars title page. Now you can see in here, we've got the 4 grades. Here's 3, 4, 5 and 6. At the moment, stage 2 are all working on the year 4 tasks there. When we scroll through, we can see all the different unit names. We're doing number 2, Where Do You Live, which is an information report. So we tap on that there, and that brings up all the modules. This is about 5 weeks worth of work. And you can also see on the right hand side here, 2 of the activities have been unlocked. Module 2.1 and Module 2. And if we tap on Module 2.1, that is going to take us to a comprehension activity on the giraffe. So we can see here that in this module, we're going to read the giraffe and discuss the artwork. We're going to answer some comprehension questions, and then we're going to have a bit of a discussion as well. So we'll see here, let's bring up discuss the artwork first. This is a great chance to bring in some vocabulary that may be used in this unit. Now we can see here, this is slide 1 of 6. And there's a question here, what type of text do you think this is and why? Well, of course, this is an information report. Why do we think that? Well, we've got some images, some photographs of a giraffe. We can tell its diet. We can tell where it lives, and we can talk about other various clues that come in the artwork. And then we just make our way through the slides, reading the questions and trying to get as much vocabulary out, which may, once again, help in the piece of writing. Once we've been through that, top right hand corner, let's tap on the giraffe. This takes us to a text about the giraffe where we've got lots and lots of information. This information can be read by your child, with your child. You could take it in turns, however you think that you're going to be able to best discuss and unpack the information that is in this information report. We can see here it goes through. Once that has been read and discussed, top right hand corner, let's go back to the module. That takes us to activities, and the activities have been broken up into 3 sections: literal, inferential and applied. The literal questions, they're literally coming, the answers are coming out of the text. For example, what might the habitat of the giraffe be? Very literal style questions. The second section is the inferential. So the answers require a little bit digging deep into the text to retrieve the answer. And then in the applied section, the information that we've read, it may need to be applied to a different context. Now, first up, we have the literal section. So let's just tap on that, begin the activity, and that takes us into, which you can see the passage again, which is terrific, and encourage your child to refer back to this information. And we can see here we have 8 multiple choice questions, which will be automatically marked by the software. And I'm just going through these, finding the information in the passage and tapping on the answer and then submitting that. Once that has been done, go back into Unit 2, click back onto 2.1 again, and then we can commence the inferential. And that's going to be exactly the same style with the passage there, and then we've got some multiple choice questions. Now for the third section, the applied section, when we tap on that one there, we've once again got the passage there that can be referred to. But for these here, we've got a box there, a text box, that the children are going to need to type their responses in. Now we're looking for full sentences or paragraphs that are punctuated and spelt correctly. Once these have been submitted, they will then be waiting in the teacher box, ready to be marked and feedback given. Once these 3 sections have been completed, tap on Unit 2 in the tab at the top, and that will take you back to the modules ready to complete the next task. And then the children will slowly work their way through the modules, and as they will be unlocked from day to day. So I hope that helps you navigating your way through English Stars. As always, if you have any questions, make sure you contact your class teacher.